Are you ready to stop the Objc-C Library DLL crashes? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll explain the fix and show you how to automate the repair. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Objc-C library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Objc-C library, the Objective-C Runtime library for Windows. It provides the localized unmanaged execution environment for applications written in Objective-C that have been ported to Windows. Mandatory for older localized builds of Safari and early iTunes versions. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The fastest way to fix this is to reinstall Apple. Head to Microsoft, download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers, and run them. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Objc library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for Objc Library DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing Objc library. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Objc library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.